So I'll be showing you how to insert a SIM card in your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So right at the top on the camera side, you should see a SIM tray on the right hand side, this one right here. And so you can either use the SIM ejector tool that comes in the box or any SIM ejector tool that you have, put it in that tray and then push towards the phone, and that's going to pop out the SIM tray. Okay, now once it pops out like that, you can just pull it out gently, and it has to be straight. So just pull it out like that, and there is your SIM tray, and you can see it clearly says SIM. So that's where you place your SIM card. Now let me just put this down. Grab your physical nano SIM card. Okay, it has to be the nano SIM card size, and you're going to place that on the SIM tray with the contacts facing upwards like this. Okay, so with the contacts facing out, and you have to align this. You can see this little indent here has to align with this indent on the SIM tray, this one right here. Okay, has to align with this. So you hold it like that and make sure it just sits into the SIM tray. You should feel and hear it snap in place to a point where it's completely flush with the SIM tray. Nothing is popping out, as you can see. Let's try again. There you go. So you can see nothing is popping out. Everything is completely flush. It's sitting completely flush in the SIM tray. And then now you can grab your tablet and slot it back in like this. It's literally that simple. Now in a couple of seconds, you will see the network bars showing. You can already see I'm getting text messages. There you go. And you can see the network bars in the top right corner to show you that the SIM card is actually detected and working. You can see I even got a few text messages to let me know that this is working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.